Hi, my name is John Matthew, and I'm an engineer here at Thrupoint. I'm here today to talk to you about our Fusion SDK and the use cases around a telemedicine perspective. In this demo, you will see how two medical professionals can collaborate in a fully unified communication experience on a given patient use case. First, let's start off by talking about the Thrupoint Fusion SDK. The Fusion SDK comes in two components. We have a client-side SDK that lets you embed voice, video, and other UC functionality within a web page, an Android device, or an iOS device. That connects into our Fusion Web Gateway that actually will enable web traffic to be translated into SIP and be able to connect into the enterprise environment. In a WebRTC instance, our Fusion Web Gateway acts like a WebRTC to SIP gateway, letting you extend the enterprise UC functionality to modalities like the web, Android mobile phones, tablets, and iOS devices as iPhones and iPads. Today, in the medical field, there are a lot of demand for increasing collaboration and real-time access to patients as well as other doctors dispersed over multiple geos and multiple verticals. You have now the ability with technology and the service broker platform to integrate and extend the enterprise functionality out to other enterprises and other UC vendor technologies and enable full collaboration while leveraging existing infrastructure, investments, and assets in a given enterprise. Letting you extend the enterprise UC functionality to modalities like the web, Android mobile phones, tablets, and iOS devices as iPhones and iPads. Today, in the medical field, there are a lot of demand for increasing collaboration and real-time access to patients as well as other doctors dispersed over multiple geos and multiple verticals. You have now the ability with technology and the service broker platform to integrate and extend the enterprise functionality out to other enterprises and other UC vendor technologies and enable full collaboration while leveraging existing infrastructure, investments, and assets in a given enterprise. In this presentation, I will show how two clinical physicians can actually interact with each other using a given application. Here on one desktop, I will log in as myself in a doctor's use case and hit allow for give him access to my camera and mic on my PC. This demo is being done on the same PC, but this can be done on any PC as there is a browser. And from there, I could have another doctor log in as themselves on another PC on a similar application that can be serviced within the enterprise or within a common cloud. As you can see on the bottom here, I have the ability to see a presence for the user. If I actually enable this and actually say I'm available, you will actually see that the user becomes available here as well. And I'm able to actually click here and set this user as available. Since previous demos I have done the user being available, their status was set, but to show a difference, I could say do not disturb, and you will see the appropriate status changes across. So as you see, do not disturb came up here, and I'm able to say available. Now this in the back end can be a Cisco CUPS, a Microsoft Link, or any UC backend, and letting us extend out using its native APIs. In this scenario, a doctor can reach out to Dr. Holvey and say hello. If you are around. Here I'm able to IM back and forth, and again the backend could be any known IM infrastructure today like Jabra and Link that we support today, but down the line more will be added. And from here, we could actually now extend this IM call to a voice and a video call. Using WebRTC, I could be doing this from home, I could be doing this from my mobile tablet or any other infrastructure. As the users set up a call, we could actually now leverage point-to-point video between two video elements like browser to browser. One person could be on a VCS and the other person could be or another endpoint. We can extend the functionality for voice and video to any modality, but using this dialer and our platform and our client SDK, we're able to do collaborative applications like so. Here, one doctor will bring up an X-ray, while the other doctor can bring up the same application and see the X-ray. Traditionally, collaboration would be that I, who has control, can actually now then change the picture and it'll be reflected here. But for this doctor to get control, I would have to do something like pass the ball. In this scenario, I don't. I could actually actively partake in the conversation and actually have both parties changing state within the document to collaborate, and actually real collaboration without passing control or worrying about passing control. In this scenario, I could have been a clinician on the other end or even a patient and be able to go over my x-rays, my lab work, or anything else that is available to me and the doctor to share securely across the infrastructure. Now here, I could leave the message with the document with the doctor or the patient, but that control is within my infrastructure, leveraging my current file store and functionality that I have today within the enterprise.